everyone. It's Wednesday, July 26th. I want to talk about this Pacific West merger with Bank of California that happened early this morning. And this is really interesting because this morning both of the stocks are up, and very seldom that you see a merger between two companies where both companies are struggling, but when they merge, both stocks are going up pre-market. Going to be looking at a short opportunity here. You can see PacWest with this big bearish engulfing, but now with this merger announcement, PacWest is trading, up 30%. Is the company that much different? It's at $10 a share right now, PacWest. So basically, I'm going to be looking on the short side of PacWest for today. And the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting out better recommendations, but that means that it's also going to be probably fewer recommendations. So I'm looking to streamline the business to give you guys performance and not necessarily have this be more like a casino. And I really want to focus on the performance aspect to it. So take a look at Bank of California. This is the company that PacWest is merging with. You had this crazy volatility yesterday to the upside, and then to the downside with PACW. I don't see how PACW is up near $10 a share again because it's been listed as a strong sell across the board. Bank of California is actually a companies combined make a better company, together. I don't think so, especially in the face of higher interest rates today. So the other thing that's leading me to believe that this is not such a great deal is that there is an investor that's coming in with $400 million, and those are going to be diluted into equity shares. Excuse me. And those, here it is. Private equity group Warburg Pincus Centerview helped arrange $400 million in new equity from investors as part of the deal. Would own roughly 20% of the combined bank. The pact is expected to close in late 2023 or early 2024 if it receives approval from shareholders and regulators. Okay, so not only are the two banks not the greatest and combined not the greatest, but their earnings diluted. And so I don't see how this deal, other than probably some manipulation, makes it go higher. But we're going to watch this one very closely. Probably going to be one of the cells we pick on today, but we're just going to have to see where this kind of runs out of steam. But we're going to be looking at both of them, Bank of California and Pacific West. There's a lot of other stuff going on out there with Meta and Microsoft, and they're beating earnings that have been revised lower, and you guys know how the game is played. So so basically you've got Microsoft, and it's kind of a mixed bag out there because companies are reporting that earnings are going to be great and the future looks fantastic, and then the stocks go down. So by the same token, companies that say, well, the future doesn't look so great, those are coming back. So Microsoft, GM is one of them that said the future looks great, and the stock went down. And so I'm also take a look at Snap this morning. Snap might be a sell here at SNAP. SNAP. All right, closed at 12.51. A little heavier volume. It's down there 10.36 right now. That's a pretty big drop, and that's gonna open just above the 200. So we're gonna watch Snap too. So 3 stocks we're watching today. 1 we're gonna take action on: PACW, BANC, and SNAP. I also want to reiterate also that gold bounced off the 50-day moving average yesterday, and it's up again today. So with interest rates going higher, gold could definitely snap back. And you might have a little cup and handle. It's not that round, but here's a cup and handle. If it breaks out at 184 here, now let me draw this for you guys. All right, so if you take this cup and handle right here like this, it's not fully rounded, which would make it a little better of a position, but so there's your cup, there's your handle somewhere. There's your handle like this, and then we got the resistance level right here, and then as the target goes from the bottom of the cup, 175, to the top of the cup, 184, so maybe you got 10 points from here, so 175, maybe 7 points from here, so up. This would actually take it right back to resistance. So yeah, that looks about right. All right, everyone. If anybody has any questions, please feel free to give me a call. Everyone have a great day. I'm trying to make these videos a little quicker, so that's why I'm staying off camera. And I hope everybody has a great day. Take care now. Bye-bye.